So today I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the fuel pump assembly from this Mazda 2. In one of the other videos I presented you all you need to know about the injectors. Now let's go ahead and check the pump. So you have to get under the back seat. On the driver's side you're going to find the pump. So let's lift this. So you'll have to keep this bench off like that. I use a rubber cord so it will give me full access to the pump. Okay, so under here you're going to find the cover. Let's remove these screws. And the cover will come out. And you can see we've got a simple system here. The input line, the connector with 12 volt delivery and fuel level sensor. So you're gonna need one of these tools, otherwise your life is gonna be a lot more difficult. Now since we are working with gasoline, make sure that you avoid any fire around you, like sparks or stuff like that, anything that can ignite the gasoline, because this can be very dangerous. So just twist it in that way in order to protect that fuel level sensor, especially if you don't want to replace the unit. And let's put back the cover and take this unit out. Okay, so now it's time to install the new fuel pump assembly on. Let's put first the level sensor, just like that. And submerge it and put the ring on. Before reconnecting the fuel line, I will plug back the connector. Okay, and we're gonna be testing the fuel pressure. So if you buy one of those kits, it will come with all sorts of adapters. I've got this one, this will match perfectly. So let's connect it to the delivery fuel line. Okay, and connect it to the pump. Let's see, should be able to connect it here. Okay, it's perfect. Now we're going to be able to measure the pressure while the car is running or while the car is not running. Let's connect it to the shredder valve. Now I'm going to prime the pump for first time before installation. This is a new unit, the old one didn't work at all, so let's see. As you can see, these are regular values for a fuel pump, around 3 bars or 50 psi. So let's disconnect it. This car is gonna smell like fuel. Okay guys, so that's how we replace the fuel pump on this car. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have this Mazda 2, go ahead and check out the other videos I made about it. And until next time, drive safe, so I can see you in the next video.